Hello everyone. Yes, we are back with the next video of the series. So we are at question number 2 of the paper walkthrough of May 2025. Paper 1 AAHL is what we are doing. So yes, this is a function-based question, right? Which is testing algebraic way of dealing with functions and also the graphical way. It's very simple. Again, and yes, this is simple. So pause the video and solve, and then you can check the answer with me. So just try for this question. Here we go. The graph shows f of x is equal to y equal to f of x. Okay. So this is a function-based question which will test you the graphical knowledge and also the basic algebraic manipulation techniques that you should know. So the graph shows y equal to f of x for minus 6 less than or equal x less than or equal 5. Find f of minus 3. State the domain of f inverse, the inverse of f. Find the value of x that satisfies 5 inverse of 2x minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Right? So let's get started. And first thing, find f of minus 3. How will you find it from the graph? So f of minus 3, this corresponds to x value. So you should go to minus 3 in x-axis. And then f of minus 3 means it will be on the graph. So from there, you just go directly like a perpendicularly to the graph. And this is where we are at, right? And what is this point? It's minus 3 comma minus 1. So if this is x means this is your f of x, right? So f of minus 3 is minus 1. That's simple. Very simple one. And this will earn you 1 mark because very simple. And next question, B problem. State the domain of f inverse, the inverse of f. We have a function f and its inverse. So the domain and range will get exchanged. For example, domain of a function will be equal to range of its inverse. Okay, so now we want domain of f inverse means domain of f inverse is equal to range of f, right? So range of f. So from graph, how will you find the range? Let's do. So range means vertical range. Okay, so lowest point is this, right? Which is minus 3. It corresponds to minus 3 and it goes good on. And the top most is from the graph, it's this. So it's minus 3 to plus 5. So domain of f inverse is f inverse equal to is minus 3 less than or equal x less than or equal to 5. Right? That simple it is. So we did the B part. Now, find the value of x that satisfies f inverse of 2x minus 7 equals minus 3. Right? So, you know what? We have learned this in inverse and f. The function, if you have x comma y in your f function, you will have y comma x in your f inverse, right? So f inverse of 2x minus 7 equal minus 3. So you just imagine like when you take f inverse to the other side, it will become f, right? So f of minus 3. And 2x minus 7, what is f of minus 3? We already got it, it's minus 1. And you have to just simplify this. Add 7 on both sides. You will get 2x equal to 6. Then divide by 2 on both sides. You will get x is equal to 3. Right? So we got x is equal to 3 here. So for which value this satisfies means when x is equal to 3. Right? And that's simple. We covered all of them. So this completely covers a 5 marker, 1 mark for A, 1 mark for B, and 3 marks. Yeah. So this covers 5 marks in total. So for this 1 mark, for this 1, and for this is a 3 marker. So simple, easily you can score here, right? But we should have this knowledge of properties of function and its inverse, right? That's simple and yep. Okay, and that's it for this question. So we will be coming up with the next set of videos very soon. So keep learning, keep practicing, and also make sure if this video really helped you, so you can just like this and share this with your IBDP friends, right? So that's it. Keep learning and keep practicing.